What's up, guys, and welcome back to learning to speak Chinese right from day one. Last time we looked at the first page, lesson one, Qingwen, may I ask? And today we are going to all the way down to lesson two, 中国人, and there is a conversation between two people. The objective, I think, of today is to be able to ask someone, "Excuse me, are you Chinese?" "I am a Chinese." "And you, are you Chinese?" "I am not Chinese, I am Kenyan." So here goes. 请问你是中国人吗？是，我是中国人。We're recording right now. I believe we are. Yes, we are. 我是中国人。你呢？你是 Let me just see whether I can remove this. 你呢？你是中国人吗？不，我不是中国人。是 Kenyan 人。That's great. 请问你是中国人吗？是，我是中国人。你呢？你是中国人吗？不是，我不是中国人，我是肯尼亚人。好，再见再见。你或者是中国人，人呢？不，肯尼亚人不是。好，再见。So what are they looking at? So meaning of we say 是 ，here we have 是。How do you say Chinese person? 中国人。Right, you got it. 中国人。Person 人。Modal particle meaning what about 呢？不。So if I'll do this, are you able to read? Are you able to read all these characters? Check for yourself. And of course you have the numbers. There is 1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10. And that will mark the end. That will mark the end, and I guess next time we're going to have to try to look at the character for the day. The character for the day can be ni. Where is it? Ni. Okay. Or another one. 好。